Good morning and welcome to Equipment Remarketing. We're taking a look at a 2021 Freightliner Detroit Diesel 8 Allison automatic transmission. Nice heavy truck, folks. 14.6 fronts, 40,000 rear with a lift axle, add another 12,000 pound capacity. 25 by 102 steel bed. Universal mounting kit, folks. It's a beautiful unit. Brand new buyer's toolbox, turbo blasted, primed and repainted all the way around. Refurb steel rim, excellent tire condition. Brand new fronts on the 14.6 front. 80% to new all the way around on the back. Beautiful unit. Moffett, Princeton, Loadmac, many other brands can be carried on this unit. 25 by 102 steel bed. Nice heavy truck, folks. 167,000 miles. Detroit diesel, automatic Cummins automatic transmission, Allison transmission. 75-gallon aluminum tank. Beautiful unit, folks. Brand new front tires. This unit's in excellent condition. Air ride, driver's seat, bench passenger, 167,000 miles. Air conditioning. Beautiful unit, folks. Give us a call. This is Equipment Remarketing. 260-238-4998. Take a look at our website, 99lifts.com. We have our trucks, our trailers, our piggyback forklifts available on our website. Give us a call. We're more than happy to help you pick out, find a package deal to put together. Give us a call, 260-238-4998.